Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be continuing our series with the operator module. So today we're going to be looking at the negative, positive, and absolute value functions. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos, and we do mistype a lot. Operator as OP. But we do micro videos. We take one subject, we dissect it, and we do one, maybe two. And as you can see, we're going to do 3 today, but I think you guys are more than capable of keeping up. So if you did not see last video, yesterday's video, the operator function, it basically has all of the operators as functions. So we're going to look at the negative, positive, and absolute. I think those kind of go together. So we got help. Let's just look at the whole thing. It's a pretty large. Slide this over. But the reason why I like these is because it really brings home what they do. So all right, we got some pretty cool ones. Positive. It's the same as this, and then we got negative, same as that, and then of course absolute value, we kind of have an idea. So we're going to have A as -1 and B as 1. Let's change it to 2 so we don't confuse. All right, we'll check A, B. So this is how I want you to kind of think about it. You might be saying, well, why do we have these? Let's think about functions that take other functions. So we have these operator functions that then we don't need to go and use a lambda or define our own functions. If we go back and think about like our calculator, and we'll use one of those functions probably tomorrow. But you have these in your back pocket, and you don't have to quickly write a function or a lambda function. You can just go import this, drop this in there, and you have a simple line of code, especially if you don't have to double check and make sure you're not writing anything, right? So you're removing another level, another error opportunity. So all right, so OP, let's look. We'll just be thorough. OP neg, same as it's the built-in function, neg function. Operator, same as this. So let's just do it. So OP neg, and we pass in A. So okay, it's adding a negative. So to a negative, it makes it positive. So this is really the takeaway that I want you to take from this. So neg, then B. Okay, so then positive A. Okay, so it stays the same. Then positive on B, okay, stays the same. So basically, this is what I want you to think about. So positive isn't going to be changing anything, and then negative is going to be basically at doing the opposite on the number line. I want to be careful. Don't want to accidentally use another function that we're going to look at very soon, which is extremely cool. And of course, now the absolute value, it will make it positive. It will remain positive. So OP dot absolute, then A. So it's going to be on that side of the number line, and then AB, ABS, okay, and B stays on that side. So I like grouping these 3 functions together just to kind of make sure that you are thinking about it. It's not going to just say, okay, it's going to then flip a negative to a positive. No, it's going to leave it the same. So if it is negative, it will remain negative, just like your math operations. So all right, there, guys, there we go. If you have any comments, questions, if you've never known about this, if you've never seen it, please drop a comment down below. If these are the type of videos you like, go ahead and give this a thumbs up for me. Make sure you're hitting that subscribe button, notification bell, and also, I've not been thinking about this, make sure you're staying tuned till the end to see some videos that you may not have seen before. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.